So we have a cup of tea over here. Meanwhile, तब तक वो भून रहा है मसाला. तो अभी तक क्या क्या पड़ चुका है इसमें?
I put a little bit of sugar in initially.
Whoa, this looks good.
So see, there's a lot of
Ingredients.
yeah.
So इस बार जो किचन स्क्रिप्ट के वीडियो में आप जो वीडियो देखेंगे वो सब कुछ मैंने बनाया.
And in fact, you'll see Rohit's hands in this video, not mine.
अभी हम इसको ऐसे छोड़ देते हैं कुछ देर.
check the salt.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा और,
थोड़ा नमक चाहिए.
थोड़ा और नमक चाहिए. सो ये बन गया हमारा मटन और मैं उतार लिया अपना एप्रन. अब हम बन जाते हैं खाने के लिए रेडी. Absolutely amazing. Yes. Thank you so much, the kitchen script Banalirat, for making this. So I'm taking a chunk of the fat and the Mudhi and onion and the green chilies. You have nailed it. She has nailed it. Thanks to you. Thanks to kitchen script. Yes. Thank you so much. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. To be notified of all such future updates, hit the bell button. So till then, bye bye, take care and keep exploring.